You need to make this with pastry dough. You just have to roll it up and that's it. Here, I'm using a piece of pastry dough. I'm going to spread some cottage cheese here. On top, I'm going to add a slice of guava paste and a slice of mozzarella cheese.
Now we just have to close it up well. I'm going to close it with a fork along the sides. And on the top, I'm going to make a few cuts with a knife to avoid the risk of it leaking during baking. Make as much as you want. Now you just have to put it in a baking dish and brush the top with a little egg yolk. It's all ready. Now just put it in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees Celsius until it's golden brown. And look everyone, our pastries with the dough are incredible. Make it at home because I'm sure that everyone will love it. It's a super quick, easy, and delicious recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe here from the Kitchen Channel. A big hug until next time, and thank you.